I've been asked many times in formatting, what does 11 points, let's say, look, if you see up here, that's 11 points. You know how your font is measured. Well, they've always wanted to, not always, but few people ask every once in a while in the formatting, what does 11 points mean? It's actually a gauge that's done off of a 1 inch. They've come up with it a long time ago. Is, let's say if something says it's 11 points, it's 11 70-seconds. In other words, if you split it up into 72 different parts, 11 70-seconds of an inch. It's a point is, it's got 72 of them in 1 inch. So 11 is 11 over 72. So it's 11 70-seconds. I know, it's just something so you would just know it. Same thing with 15. It means it's 15 over 72. That's how it's split up. It's gauged within an inch. Within an inch, there is 72 points in an inch. Just wanted to show you that little tidbit.